it's me Rain and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to make another thrift vlog and I'm planning to make a ruched top out of a plain shirt. So if you guys want to see how I will make it, just keep on watching. First step is get your favorite top that fits you well and trace it to the shirt. After tracing, cut it and save the excess fabric for later use. Next, get the excess fabric and draw a rectangular shape with the same length of the body of the top. This will serve as the tunnel later on to create a ruched top. Third step is sew both sides of the top and hem the upper and lower part of it. Next is get again the excess fabric and cut as strips. This will be the string to be inserted on the tunnel later. Now that we have a string, it's time to sew the tunnel. Make sure to sew it here, here, and here. This is how it looks like after sewing. For sleeves, I'll be using a B6000 glue that I ordered in Shopee because my sewing machine just stops functioning well. Also, I forgot to film the part where I cut the original sleeves from the excess fabric. That's why I cannot show any clips cutting it. Now, attach the sleeves and sew it according to how fit you want it to be on your armhole. Lastly, insert the string to the tunnel